What's up, guys? I'm at the junkyard. Found a 96 Ford Explorer. Got the 5.0 in it. We all know what that means. GT40 heads and intake. About that. So picked it up. They're gonna pull it for me. $291. Hell yeah. Till next time. Later. Well, it's a couple hours later and I got it home. There it is. 3-bar GT40 heads and intake. Having fun?
Yeah.
This place is a mess. It's going in that Mustang. Notchback. There's another one over there. Now we gotta get this in there. Fun stuff.
I said,
We got it in. Got a couple GT40P heads here. 4-bar, another set of 4 bars down here. Intake. That wasn't too fun.
yeah, I could tell.
Engine. Notchback we're building right now. This is my 93. I built that a couple years ago. Got another GT40P engine here. 4-bar. Really see them right there.
It's snowing. I wanted to get snow on my car, and it kept moving in place, but I can't believe
It's in there.